It's that time. Surprise package time, surprise package time. What did I order? I don't know, 'cause I ordered a long time ago. Surprise package time, surprise package time. Let's see what we got here. It's from Banggood. So it's something cheap and weird. Ooh. Oh, okay. This is an endoscope camera. This allows you to film stuff that is very small and under other stuff, or inside other stuff. Good usage for this is to see exactly how many bugs are under your oven. Actually, I bought this because my mother was having problems with her garbage disposal. Something was banging around inside of it, but we couldn't see what it was. Unfortunately, or fortunately for her, the super already fixed it at her place, so I can't use it for what it was made for, or what I bought it for. On the other hand, it cost me a whole $15. So, still totally worth it. Let's see. This can be plugged into a computer. This can be plugged into Type-C. This can be plugged into Mini. I don't know how well these little adapters work. It's kind of shady that there's so many adapters. Like, sooner or later, one of those is going to fail. But then again, this is $15. It's got little LEDs at the end of it. It's cool. Let's see if I can get some video capture from my phone with this in operation. Because you just plug this into your cell phone or computer, and there you go. You got something to work with. Okay, let's see if I can set this up. Alright, here's a view from the app with the endoscope hooked up to the cell phone. You see me playing around with it here. As you can see, it magnifies a lot. It's designed for close-up. It doesn't have an enormous focal range. It makes things look gigantic. It's huge hands. You know what they say about a guy with huge hands? He needs really big gloves. Oh, like this great shot of my nose. Okay, no more of that. No more nose shots. Here you can see me jam it underneath my oven, looking for cockroaches. This is actually what you're supposed to be doing with this thing, is examine the inside of mechanical devices, looking under things that are too heavy to move. Man, there is a lot of dust under there. Also, the cord's flexible, so it can be a little hard to jam it under things appropriately. See, there's the back wall. There's some mighty fine dust bunnies there. And the linoleum is peeling up. Wonderful. Anyways, the app says that you can let you record or take photographs or stuff. Ah, there he is. Well, thus ends another episode of Surprise Package Time.